Introduce myself. My name is Praveen. I go by Praveen since even though my name is so big, typical South Indian name. Yeah, so my name is Praveen. So I have a decade years of experience in developing the mobile applications, especially in Android. Even though I was a gaming developer, now I'm completely into mobile developing using the GPS and other tracking and iOS applications. Give me a minute. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, yep, it's visible.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so let me introduce the topic that I'm going to discuss here. The presentation, my research on GPS accuracy and enhancement in Android development. So this work was part of the AOSY, SIP and SoftFM and in the Commit 2024 conference. So yeah, so let's dive into the fascinating world of the GPS technology now. So yeah, to start with GPS or a global positioning system, in abbreviation that I wanted to discuss is a satellite-based navigation system that provides a critical data related to the location, time synchronization, and velocity. So since you all know it's ubiquitous today, installed in smartphones, automobiles, smartwatches, and even civil engineering instruments. So basically, the GPS actually is divided into, the paper that I have written is divided into three segments: the space segment, control segment, and user segment. So understanding these segment is a crucial for enhancing the GPS accuracy, especially in mobile devices. So let's talk about each segment and in depth. We can, stop by if you have any questions in between. So let's talk about the space segment. The space segment is composed of satellites that orbit the Earth, transmitting signals into the GPS receivers. These satellites are managed by the US Department of Defense and play a critical role in providing the data needed for the location services. And the process of triangulation where GPS receives the calculation their position by measuring the time it takes for signals to travel from these satellites. It's a fundamental. However, the accuracy can be affected by factors such as the satellite's placements and signal quality. The research around this in this area focuses on improving the satellite technology and enhancing the signal strength and increasing the satellite coverage to ensure more precise location data. As you all know, so without location, I think none of the applications that we are using these days is not possible. So to enhance the more GPS, that's the research I actually around did it around this paper. I'm going to discuss about it. And the second thing that I already discussed on the second segment is control segment. The control segment is equally important. It consists of ground-based control stations that manages the GPS satellite constellation. These stations track the position and health of each satellite, perform routine maintenance, and upload necessary navigational data to ensure the signals remain accurate. So because of this control segment system, so our navigation and entire GPS system will work based on our navigational satellite, right? Uh, the ongoing research here aims to enhance these algorithms and improve the capabilities of ground stations, which are even vital for managing the integrity of the entire GPS system. So let's talk about the user segment, um, where most of the exciting innovations happen. The segment includes all the devices that use GPS signals, such as smartphones, car navigation systems, and professional equipment, and industries like surveying and aviation. So that's when actually my research, has been started with this. So because of the smart devices or IoT devices that are being used are being controlled by these kind of GPSs. So the accuracy of these devices depends on the quality of the GPS receiver, the algorithms used for the processing signals, and environmental factors. So innovations such as the multi-band reception and advanced signal processing algorithms have significantly improved GPS accuracy for users. Eye accuracy systems like differential GPS, like DGPS or real-time kinematic positions are particularly noteworthy. These technologies are used in applications that require extremely precise positioning, such as autonomous vehicles and surveying things. So let's discuss about the challenges in the space and control segments. While there are many opportunities for improvement, research in this space and control segment is often restricted due to their strategic importance and regulatory constraint imposed by the governments. So the satellites in the space segment are government owned and are tightly regulated to prevent misuses, while control segment is managed by military and government agencies. Despite these challenges, there are efforts to enhance these segments through international collaborations and public-private partnerships. For example, advancements in satellite technology, such as the next generation satellites with better capabilities, are being pursued to improve the overall performance of the GPS system. So there are opportunities in the user segment. So let's talk about that. So the user segment, however, presents a wealthy opportunities for innovations. So let's explore some few key areas. So most of the people are familiar here the geotagging. So by enhancing the GPS accuracy in mobile devices, we can improve the precision of the geotagging data, which is a crucial for applications like location-based services, augmented reality, and digital marketing. And also the second thing is routing and navigation optimization. So accurate GPS data is vital for services like ride sharing, logistics, autonomous vehicles. Improvements in this area can lead to more efficient routes, reduce travel times, and lower the fuel consumption, all of which are enhance the user satisfaction. And the third thing is, by developing better GPS receivers and algorithms, we can significantly improve the readability and accuracy of GPS services. Multi-band services that process the signals from multiple GNSS system are an example of such innovations. Integration with other technologies, let's discuss about that. So integrating GPS with technologies like augmented reality and internet of things opens up new possibilities. For instance, in augmented reality, precision location data can enhance the user experience by accurately overlaying the digital information onto the physical world. Implications of various industries, let's talk about it. So the implications of enhanced GPS technology go beyond just navigation. So let's look at few industries that I wanted to discuss. Basically, there are some of the industries I also want to bring it up here, like e-commerce, automobile industry, supply chain management. So accurate GPS data is critical for optimization of delivery routes, which reduces the cost and improve the customer satisfaction. And automobile industry is not only essential for the navigation system but also plays as role advanced driver assistance systems, like I think you might have heard about ADAS and the development of autonomous vehicles. And supply chain management in logistics, GPS enabled systems allow for real-time tracking of goods, improving the efficiency and the transparency across the supply chain. So let's talk about the future trends and research directions. Internet of Things, IoT devices equipped with the GPS and can create interconnected networks that enhance the location accuracy and enable applications in smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and asset tracking. So, accurate GPS data will allow for more immersive and precise AR experiences. So I think AR is everywhere, and one example such is metaverse, which are actually increasingly used in navigation, tourism, and gaming. So autonomous vehicles. So these vehicles rely on highly accurate location data for safe operation. Ongoing research is focused on enhancing the reliability and precision of GPS to support widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles. So let's talk about some real-time world examples before going into the conclusion. So we have a Google Maps and navigation. Google Maps uses the GPS for real-time location tracking, routing, and traffic updates. So continuous improvements in GPS accuracy uh, directly enhance the user experience by providing more reliable directions and estimate times of arrival. So ride-sharing services like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash, or most of the things are in USA I'm talking about. These platforms rely heavily on GPS to match the delivery with the passengers, optimize the routes, and calculates ETAs. Improved GPS accuracy leads to more precise pickup and drop-off locations, which is critical for both the driver and passenger satisfaction. And autonomous vehicles depend on GPS combined with sensors and matching learning algorithms to navigate safely. I think Jukes, you guys might have heard about Jukes as actually generating auto drive cars in here in USA, and I'm not really sure in India whether it is operating or not. They're actually heavily depending on the GPS accuracy. And also, I can give you an example for the Tesla. So, autonomous vehicle depends on the GPS combined with sensors and matching learning algorithms to navigate safely. Third thing is augmented reality games. Augmented reality games rely on precise GPS data to place the digital elements in the place of physical world. So yeah, so as a conclusion, enhancing GPS accuracy in Android development requires multifaceted approach, addressing various segments and leveraging advanced technologies. So by integrating support for multi-GNS advanced algorithms, and even machine learning developers can significantly improve location accuracy in Android applications. So the impact of enhanced GPS technology extends far beyond mobile devices. It has the potential to transform industries such as e-commerce, supply chain management, and the development of autonomous vehicles. Continuous research and development in GPS technology will drive innovation and unlock new possibilities for accurate and reliable location-based services. Yeah, so thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the GPS technology and its future directions.